Uh-oh. Hey guys, what's up, what's glorious YouTube? Man, as you guys can see, it is your host of the most, Paul Cantu, live and direct outside of the Salvation Army. Now today's trip to the thrift is gonna be interesting because I'm trying to accumulate 54 pieces to give to the 54 people who dropped comments on my video. Because I said I'd hook you guys up for free. So today I am sourcing that product, and let's see if I can find some fire for all you guys who showed that unconditional love, not expecting anything, but are getting something. I love y'all. Guys, yo, what are the odds? All right, I walk in here and the first find are these little vintage shorts, but the second find is the reversible Akeem the Dream Olajuwon Houston Pocket Rockets champion jersey in crispy condition. Dude, and what's even more lit is this little Jean right here is reversible. Looks like it got some stains on the white side, but I mean, bro, 2 jerseys in one? Are you joking me? Like, check this out. Look at that. Dude, that is crazy. Oh yes, mount up, playboys. Dude, we have another one. You got the Sturgis 06 biker tee. The graphic is dope, but this is, I mean, it's only gonna be like $1 today, but this is what's crazy is they have the best head, you guys already know, is that duck head. I wanna lick you up. I wanna what? All embroidered, look at the thread count. But what is that? Bro, they are tripping. Personal foul.
Personal foul, tripping by the offense number 15.
Oh, they got that artware? What?
Is what you interpret it to be.
Oh yes, that is crucial, man. You got that Led Zeppelin little butt naked angel boy in the birthday suit with the wings. Fly as hell, man. Of course, gotta get this. $150. But Lord, look at all these pooches, man. Look at these little pooches. Dang, son. Yo, look at this thigh wear. Is this like high quality? This looks like a Persian textile, bruh. Straight majestic. Got that Black Panther. And then look at the quality on the pockets. Look at this dude. Loose change holder, and they got the double stripes on the bottom. All right, I'm about done in this store, but we got 2 little dual-wheeled button-up bangers. Dude, you got the Wrangler multicolored. Dude, this thing is just so bright and vibrant. It's beautiful. And then you have the exact contrasting opposite. You have this black and white wow, I can't read. Ruddick Bros. Little salt and pepper dynamic on that button up. Gotta get both. Oh Lord, baby. Hey man, call me a cow's tongue, cause I just hit a fat lick. Look at this. Look at this. Just look at it. Bro, first store of the day, paid dividends, boy. So yeah, I got a bunch of stuff to send you guys. Hopefully y'all like the pieces I get for you. Yeah, I got a couple like real hitters up in that bitch. So I am very thankful and grateful for Salvation Army always coming through for Cantu, man. Wow. Oh, dude, it must be my lucky day. We got the outdoor shopping cart. So yeah, we're outside of Goodwill, and usually they have no carts on like discount day. But man, before we go into Goodwill, shout out Salvation Army. Some of the best workers that I've ever encountered work in that store. And a lady came up who I saw previously, and she's like, ever since I met you, I watched your videos, they changed my life. She didn't say all that, but she was cool, man. Thank you for watching. Let's get in there. Get in there. Oh, guys, shout out my guy. Guys, shout out my guy. Wow, that's redundant, but you guys already know, man. Little kinky twist, it's all about the what?
It's all about the you.
Hey, they also got some fire kicks in here. Peep game. My size, man. You guys know, small foot, small sock. Oh, the unique 100% wood clogs.
High fashion, like go, y'all.
Dang, bruh. They got the Nike throat slitters. Let's get it.
Go to the basket. Oh, wow. That'll watch Millarchuk. That's the story right now with the red. Oh, look in.
Oh, they got that DJ Khaled. Lion. The pattern on this shirt goes. And what are those? What are these? Guys, we got that Britches brand. Hey, remove the R and that's what fishes get you hella of, you dig? Bitches. But yo, I found these dope sneakers. If I wasn't trying to downsize my collection, I would get these African animals. The deer of Africa, the gazelle. Dude, these are sick. But a few other finds that I just accumulated. Got the Neymar Jr. or Neymar Jr. right there. Bro, look at that hairspiration. I wish this was my size. That'd be a must cop. Easily one of my favorite players. And then I also grabbed this dope like hot pink motorcycle button up just because it's pink. Obviously, we get up in there. And then you have the Polo Ralph Lauren Coke White little strap back. Nice. Strap on, boys. Oh, they got them. Gas jeans, gas denim. I bet you can't guess what's up in them.
Gas jeans, gas denim. I bet you can't guess what's up in them. That's your paycheck in less than a minute.
And we're out of there, guys. Okay, so Goodwill did not smack whatsoever, but I got some jokes off, so I guess that is beneficial. But also, guys, I saw a manager in the store. And this lady, like 2 years ago, when I had my beef with Goodwill, literally, I've never talked about this. She threatened to call the police on my ass for having my camera in the store. Because basically, one of the Goodwill, like corporate people, low-key told me to write an essay about why I should be able to record in their stores. So I sent her that. She said she'd review it with corporate, but instead went behind my back, emailed all the managers saying, if you see this guy with a camera, call the cops. So yeah, shout out that manager though. Me and Goodwill's corporate office are cool now, despite, you know, things that be happening amongst managers and shit. Boom. And all right, guys, so we're in the next spot right now. You know what time it is, man. It's time to find y'all some more heat. Boom. We already got one right here, baby. That Helly Hansen was $10. Today is $2. Got hella alphabets, just H's like all up in it. It has this beautiful Helly Hansen Equipe. Equip on one sleeve, Helly Hansen on that neck. That thing is fire. And then you also got a jacket with dreads. Dang, baby, this thing looking like some fluorescent algae. Look at the green on this Mexico soccer jersey. Got the 3/4 sleeves. I know my measurements. Gotta grab it, dude. Oh my gosh, 2 birds, 1 bat. Hello. They about to get Randy Johnson if they ain't careful. My goodness, look what we got brewing. Oh Lord, oh God. Check it out though, you got the brown bear on one sleeve, CCM, and then you have the Pro Player alternate color scheme home and away. Guys, I'm going in for y'all right now. Like, this is crazy. Like, look at this sweater. What? Look at that. Pendleton, made in USA. Come on, come on. Oh yeah, and shout out the lucky person who I'm gonna assign a new profession to. You getting that B-Dubs jersey, son? No, I'm only joking. Look at this piece though. Oh, this one might have to hit the website. This is like, oh my God, this is like a grail, bro. You got the Florida State Seminole Fluid Vintage Chalk Line jacket. Seminoles on the back, football patch. Low-key, that's a little bit too round to be a pigskin, but God, look at the quality on these letters. Dude, this piece is ancient, looking like a burlap sack on the tag. Wow, it's potato race.
They're racing. Sprint. No. Oh, potato sack race.
Guys, look at this. Oh, this is stupid. This is just stupid. Hold up. Hold on. Check it out. Oh my goodness sakes. Shout out that boy Daniel Young. You have the Pro Player with the branding all on the inside. In case you guys didn't know what brand this was, now you do. Florida State again. I don't know what's up with all the Florida donations, but I mean, you have the striping and piping, the university crest, You have Seminoles on one sleeve, Pro Player P right there. And then check out the hood and back. The hood also ribboned, multicolored with a big stripe. The P and the insane logo. Florida State in the feather. Oh my God, bro. I love a legible feather. Dude, oh my God, bro. This is a crazy piece. Wow. All right, anyways, we also got the Mickey Mouse little happy holidays. I'm gonna be wearing this next month. And then got a couple more things. Got a little Reds jersey. Old school Majestic right there. Banger, Pennsylvania. Bro, or Bangor. And then you have the Philadelphia Icy Like a Hockey Rink Philly. I'm Flyer.
See, as a hockey rink Philly nigga, I'm Flyer.
Made in USA. Vintage CCM jersey. It's that boy Tochet. Look at these juicy little jackets. Look at that, Nike boys, white tag, big check. We don't do 3 stripes.
Nike boys, we don't do 3 stripes.
You have the Columbia, crazy color block, heavy jacket. And then you have the Levi Strauss & Co. silver tab. In case you guys don't know what that means, it means that tab is silver. The buttons are actually super detailed. There's just a clean kind of acid wash a little bit, like a little stone acid wash on this bad boy. Wow, obviously I don't know my washes. I'm just combining them all, but flawless. Oh man, yo, I am beside myself. This store is coming through at an unprecedented level today. Got a Thrasher tee for y'all. A never give up. John Cena. You can't see me. And then look at these. Oh Lord, the tie-dye Jets tee and the liquid blue tie-dye Phillies tee. Y'all getting hooked up. Another Levi's jacket. Oh my gosh, that jam back. Grateful Dead. Bro, oh wait, that says bake. What they making, some little pot brownies, trying to put some meat on these Skeletor bones. Boy, just diving in. Oh my gosh, this piece is nuts. Oh, look. It's my spirit animal, the turtle. The amount of pieces that I'm finding are crazy. You got multiple Carhartt jackets, plaid on the inside of this one. You have this crazy like off-road race shirt, double-sided. Oh my gosh. And then you have the Rolling Stones oral tee. Bro, wow. All right guys, so we had the 3 last pieces of today. It's been wild in here. A Tommy fleece, a Nautica jacket, and of course the Charles Woodson jersey. His name's Charles, right? I think so. Hopefully I'm not wrong. Starter gym right there. Oh Lord. So right now I'm gonna jump out the store, swim in my DMs, find all you guys' sizes and addresses. And again, everyone who got this stuff are people who commented on my I customized shoes at ComplexCon video, which basically no one watched. So anyone who commented on that before I announced I was doing the giveaway are the people who are receiving these items. And I know a lot of people DM me and said, hey, I watched the video but I didn't comment. Now if I were to give all of y'all stuff, I'd be literally trying to source 8,000 pieces for a giveaway, which I don't even think I've thrifted 8,000 pieces probably in my career. I don't even know, honestly. But yeah man, so let's get there, package these orders and get them shipped out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used